Hello and a very warm welcome from us all here at Perrys Mansfield. This beautiful red Peugeot 108 1 litre active 5-door. It's the two-tronic gearbox, it's hatchback and it's 1 litre. Full service history, free to tax this car. Beautiful Burberry style interior with Isofix child seat anchor points there in the back. They keep babies, children and toddlers as safe as possible because the seating system secures itself to the chassis of the car with just a click like a seat belt, and it's much more secure than the wraparound seat belt method. There's your two-tronic gearbox. It's a fantastic gearbox system, 12 volt power supply, USB connectivity and an audio line in. We've got air conditioning and this touchscreen system. On the steering wheel we've got volume control and radio station preset control. On the right hand side, Bluetooth telephony control. Electric windows to both front windows, and it's a lovely car throughout. Certainly worth you coming to take a look at and travelling along to see us. First and foremost, because of the price. We scrutinise the pricing on a daily basis to make sure you're getting an absolute bargain. Not only that though, it's been prepared by main dealer technicians, award-winning customer service and second to none aftercare service also. Thanks for watching, we'll see you soon, bye bye for now.